Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I've got some bad news. Stay tuned. Alright, we'll start with the good news. Probably see a lot more Forester. Alright, bad news. Bad news. Got into a little bit of a fender bender last night. So somebody tried to merge into me. As you can see, we pretty much touched wheels. This panel bent in here, bent out here. Lights destroyed. Lights popped out too. So I think tabs are broken there. Don't know what happened there. It's like a new crack here. New crack there. And yeah. Not happy. But do have full comp, so let the insurance company sort that out. Alrighty, so I've just been on the phone to the insurance company. Got it booked in for Monday at 1:30 over Knoxfield, so hopefully we can get a good repair. Hopefully they get the paint right. Only because if you've been around for a while, you know that the paint is pretty hard to get right on the Skylines, being the pearl and the aluminum body panels. So there we go.
Day 3.
Alrighty guys, so today is the day that the Skyline is going in to get repaired. So I've got to get everything out. Right. It's at all personal items. Take everything. So yeah, it's nice and early. Still need to take Marley, so we'll leave that in there. And then I'll drop Marley off at school, head over to my parents' place, take the car seat out, because I'll be borrowing their car while Skyline's getting repaired. How inconvenient. What have we got in here? Yeah, I'll just tuck that in. Tuck the jump blades back in the shed. Hello. I'm playing with you this week. Alrighty guys, a couple of hours before I need to take the car. Just having a quick look. Seeing more damage. Alright, as you can see, it's all chipped and cracked, and now with some good light, this is all spider cracked, all that. But I think it's like flexed from here, so I've got spider cracks there, and even down through here, it's all cracked. Obviously, light's damaged. And we got the panel, which I think it's been pushed in. Yep, because it's got a bend here, here, and bend here. So that's cracked, spider cracked all across there. That actually just cracked and didn't come off, but you know, a day later it ended up falling off. Just like my bloody rear bonnet. Rear bonnet. The boot. The trunk. And then we've got, yeah, got all the damage in here. So it's obviously come in and hit the wheel. Yeah. So that mount there is bent. The wheels on there is broken. Yeah. The lights, as you can see, this has been pushed in, or this has popped out a bit as well. And obviously it's dropped down too. But, I don't think there was any damage to the bonnet. No damage to the bonnet, which is good. I was thinking of doing a flow coat on this, so just going over it again with clear and making it look really good. Yeah, let's see what the guys say about this, because pretty much from here back has all been damaged. But, I don't know, because they need to fix this panel or replace it. If they do fix it, I'm not sure if they're going to fix up here as well. But I'm guessing if they're going to paint it, they probably will just fill it in, pop it down and fill it in. Obviously, I'm not going to be uploading this until it's all done and, you know, it's all fixed. Just yeah, and I think my wheel alignment is out now as well. Feels like it's going to the right a little bit. The wheel isn't centered,